Hello, I'm watching TWS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 network problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing network problem or mobile data not working problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just tap on setting and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.